The Infinix Note 100 Ultra is an absolute powerhouse that redefines what a high-performance smartphone can deliver, pushing the boundaries of mobile technology in nearly every category. It features a breathtaking Full HD plus Super AMOLED display with an ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, offering incredibly fluid visuals, rich colors, and crisp detail, perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. At its core lies the flagship-grade MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor, designed for lightning-fast performance, superior AI capabilities, and energy efficiency, making it capable of handling anything from intensive multitasking to graphics-heavy gaming without breaking a sweat. Powering this beast is an enormous 8,000 mAh battery, ensuring multi-day battery life even under heavy use, and when it's time to recharge, the 120W fast charging ensures your backup and running in record time. The Note 100 Ultra doesn't just excel in performance, it also makes a bold statement in storage and memory. With a jaw-dropping 1TB of internal storage and an unheard of 32GB of RAM, this phone is practically a pocket-sized supercomputer, offering unrivaled capacity and speed for app handling, file storage, and seamless multitasking. But perhaps the most astonishing feature is its futuristic 3000MP rear camera, an industry first that promises unimaginable image resolution and detail, pushing mobile photography into uncharted territory. Whether you're a content creator, tech enthusiast, or power user, the Infinix Note 100 Ultra stands as a symbol of excess, ambition, and cutting-edge technology, delivering an experience that's far beyond anything the market has seen before.